Tucked behind the gates of Rolling Hills, one of the Treasure Coast's most exclusive intracoastal communities, this estate offers a rare combination of privacy, architectural character, and true Florida luxury living. This 4-bedroom, 6-bath residence spans over 5,400 square feet across 3 thoughtfully designed levels. At the heart of the home is a stunning courtyard pool that opens seamlessly to the kitchen, dining area, living room, and grand foyer, creating an effortless flow between indoor and outdoor living. The chef's kitchen features waterfall marble countertops, custom cabinetry, a Sub-Zero and wine refrigeration package, and designer gold fixtures throughout. The first floor offers 3 spacious bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom, ideal for family or guests. Upstairs, the primary suite is a private retreat of its own, complete with a spa-inspired bathroom featuring dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a soaking tub wrapped in natural marble. Rolling Hills is a private, gated community of only 50 homes, offering a day dock, a fishing pier, and private beach access complete with a gazebo and dock on the Intracoastal. It is boating and coastal living at its finest. Just minutes away, Jupiter and Hope Sound offer pristine beaches, world-class fishing, and some of the area's best waterfront dining and shopping. Golf enthusiasts are only minutes from championship courses. Families will love the top-rated schools in the area. For those who travel frequently, Witham Field is just a short drive away, with Palm Beach International Airport within easy reach as well. This is more than a home. It is your lifestyle. Offered at $3,250,000 in the prestigious Rolling Hills community. I am Matt Walsh with Illustrated Properties. If you would like to schedule a private showing, give me a call today at 561-886-8456.